Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to add credit card or debit card in Wix. First, you need to go to their website. After opening up their website, you have to go to the settings on your left. Click on settings. After clicking on settings, you will see first option of accept payments. Click on accept payments. After that, you can see several options like PayPal, Razorpay, cash-free payments, PayU, AirPay, Nimble, Ease, but you can select whichever you want, but make sure you have made account on that particular application. For example, if I have to add my details through this, then I need account on my AirPay so that after clicking on connect, they will ask me to have my ID on that application and the secret key of that application, and after that they will allow me to enter my credentials of my debit card or credit card. So I hope this video has helped you. If it does, then please like and share this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.